everybody, Eric here again with your video lesson for the week. So the thing I want to tackle this week for you guys is talking about taking what might be a difficult section in a song and creating an exercise out of it. This does two things for you. It helps you focus on where the problem may be and what the problem is within the section that you're working on the song. But it also helps you sort of be creative to finding new ways to practice and maybe even come up with your own riffs because of how you were able to dissect this one. So as an example of one of the things I like to do with this, I'm going to use the riff you heard at the start, which is from Paradigm Shift by Liquid Tension Experiment. Guitar player is John Petrucci. And what I did with this, because it's an extremely fast riff, is with the very first part of it, I just worked on using what we call speed bursts. So speed bursts are when we work on something at a nice slow tempo, and then maybe we double time it. And then we work on a slow tempo, and we double time it 2 times in a row. Slow, double time 3 times in a row. And we just keep working on building up our endurance to handle that speed. So here's an example of how I did it. I took the riff nice and slow. And then I do a slow one and a double time. Then what I might do is I might speed the bass riff up a little bit and then double time that. So what you're seeing here is that I'm taking the basic riff, working on it nice and slow, creating an exercise out of it, in this case using a speed burst style of exercise, and how I need it in order to get this riff down. I then turn it into trying to go as fast as I can just to work on your ability to actually play fast. Because in order to play fast, you got to try to be fast. So we'll do these nice speed bursts, we'll lengthen out our endurance to do it, and then at the very end, we'll just try ripping it as fast as we can. And don't worry about how bad it may sound. Just worry about trying to get yourself up to speed and get it running. So start slow and build up. Like that. So, recap it. We're using tough parts in songs to create cool little exercises out of them in order to work on those hard parts in the song, but also to develop new techniques. Keep it slow, keep it easy, build it up. The one we use today is called a speed burst technique. Start with one, double time it. Start with one, double time it a couple times in a row, and continuously work up your endurance. Once you get there, then try and run one as fast as you can and just work on that speed. So good luck with that one. Try it out. Remember, it's for September. Learn it slow, then speed it up. You'll get there faster. Good luck.